everyone, Dr. Crank here at Waco Animal Hospital, and today we're going to be talking about some benefits to giving your dog preventative care.
All right, Dr. Crank, what does preventative care do for my dog?
So the preventative care is going to be something that you can give your dog in a way to necessarily prevent diseases that they otherwise would not be getting exposed to or being affected by.
So what illnesses are staved off by good dog preventative care?
So there are illnesses such as Lyme disease, ehrlichiosis, anaplasmosis, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, all of those things that you have heard that may be a human type of a tick-borne disease, dogs can get as well. And so it is something that you are preventing that by giving them those types of things. Same thing with fleas, they can become very anemic with how much blood they actually can lose from those. Heartworm preventatives, I mean, the list goes on and on. Preventative care is certainly a lot easier and cheaper than treating.
So will dog preventative care keep my dog flea and tick free?
So it is something that it's going to do its best possible job. You still need to kind of keep a watch on your dog, especially if you're going out on any hikes or they're in fields, anything like that, that they could potentially have an increased exposure, and make sure that you are giving your dog that preventative care routinely as well to make sure it is still effective.
So how does preventative care help my dog in all stages of life?
So as a puppy, you have the preventative care of your preventions with your flea and tick heartworm preventions. You have your vaccines preventing diseases. And then you kind of move on to the same types of things as far as in your adult dog. You're dealing with your preventative care of your flea, tick, heartworm, being consistent on that, making sure their vaccines are staying up to date whenever they're around other dogs at the dog park. And even in your senior dogs, you want to start having preventative care of, checking out some blood work levels, making sure that you're not having any issues as far as their organs go, as those can start to have some diseases with time.
So is preventative care less expensive than treatment?
Most often it is. It's certainly something that I would much rather prevent diseases in dogs than have to treat them. It's not going to have near as big of a problem on your dog's body, and it's usually easier on your pocketbook.
So can preventative care save my dog's life?
It certainly can. There are certain diseases that can be life-threatening, especially things like heartworm disease.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.